Hello guys, welcome to TroidCrunch, and in this video we are going to see a quick review of Outranking.io, and we are going to talk about each and every feature of it, a quick tutorial how to create content with it, how to optimize the content with Outranking, and we'll see the pricing structure, and we'll talk whether this software is worth your attention. So stay with me throughout this video and let's get started. So first of all, when you open up the website, that's outranking.io, you can find this nice homepage where they have talked about what this tool is about and what they have put on uh, the dashboard and all the features out there. You can find all of these things. So it says that you can create 10x faster content with the help of AI, that's GPT-3 technology. Okay, and most of the softwares use this GPT technology. Shortly.ai, that's overtaken by now Jarvis or Conversion.ai, and all these softwares are using GPT-3, Longshot.ai, and most of these tools tend to give you AI based content. So most of these softwares use this technology only, and it's changing the dimensions how people are generating the content. And most people on the forums have questions like whether this AI writing worth or not. So we are going to talk about that too. Okay, and some of the questions arise whether the content will be SEO optimized, and uh, some people have issues like if they create content it doesn't rank. And so this video actually will give you complete details which are the best ways to create the content and make them suitable for your audience who are reading it. Okay, so let's start, and let me jump to my dashboard. Okay, so when you are logged in, you can see this SEO content, SERP analysis, and questions. So three are the basic main features of this software. In SEO content, you can create new content from the scratch, and you can optimize the existing content as well. By clicking on the existing content, it will ask you for the existing content that's already available on your website on either URL. So you can just put the URL right here, and all the content will be fetched right from this URL. Okay, and then you can optimize your existing content. How you can find which content has to be optimized which is already there on your website? So you can use tools like rank tracking tools. I am using uh, SERP Watch, this one, SERP Watch. Okay, I will leave a link in the description so you can check out more details about this software. So this software, what it does, it gives you the complete picture of all the keywords that you have put up in your projects, and you can see all the things like whether they are going down, they're going up, what is the change, daily change, monthly change. You can set that up, and you can set the engine with search engine, whether you want to track for Bing, you want to track for Google, you want to track for Yahoo. So you can track for any search engine. You can keep your language, and you can see the revenue for all the keywords like you see in your Ahrefs, you can see in SEMrush, in organic research, right? So the same you can see right here on this dashboard of a SERP Watch. This tool is amazing, and you can get to know like which of your keywords are going down. So what you can do, you can list down all of your desired keywords, your valuable keywords of website from which you really earn. So you can add them up here, and you can see whether they are going well, and if they are not going well, they are going down or something. So you need an immediate attention right there, and then you can just copy all the content of it, and you can optimize that content which is needing any improvement. And this is how it works. Okay, so let us start first with the questions, because that's a simple thing, right? And let's keep a topic like um, email marketing softwares. Email marketing softwares. Right, let's search for it. Now it will collect data from SERP. Let's close this tab for now. It would take time to collect the data. In most of softwares we talk, whether it's Surf SEO, it is Phase.io, it is uh, probably Writergen. All of these softwares work based on the data that they collect, right? So as such, you have to wait for the generation of the data, because all these softwares are data-driven softwares, and all the data-driven softwares need the accurate data to work, and for that accurate data to be analyzed, it takes time. So you can wait, have patience, and let the software do its magic. Okay, now it's in just front of us, all the details about the FAQs that you can have in terms of tabs. That's all the FAQs, and 20 plus 10 is 30. So basically we have Google related FAQs and then related keywords, right? So what it shows us, it gives us uh, the topics you can find from these questions tab. Actually, you can keep a topic, email marketing software, and it will give you suggestions from Google and from related keywords. So what we have right now, we have like, is digital marketing word in 2021? Search for is digital marketing word in 2021. How will digital marketing change in 2021? Search for how will digital marketing change in 2021, right? So this is how it can work, but you cannot click on it. You can just find the questions, you can make use of them. So it's like a topic discovery thing, or you can use these FAQs in your article. You can also better make your content well SEO optimized using these FAQs, and they can come up in your rich meta if you set up like that. Okay, let's now move to SERP analysis, and I already had this term searched, so I can show you this one because it also takes time. So you can see the term right here, and what it does, it gives you an overview, and it will give you like how many words would be perfect for this term, okay, to rank. Okay, so from here you can find questions, from here you can find all the SERP related information that you can make use of in content, right? So it will suggest you that the minimum is 597, but if you go with 5000 words it's better, and don't go over 11,900 words, so it's something like that. So better to go with this one, and don't go beyond that because it will be too much for your audience to guess, right? Because some articles we see that they rank, even they have like 400 or 700 words, and instead if you see that some, and the same article will not rank for someone who is writing over 2000 of words for that. Okay, so it's possible if you give a quality content, you can rank like for only 400 words. And for that, having said, your website authority also matters. It's not like only content matters a lot. So your backlinks, your off-page SEO also plays a major role in ranking, and this is only on page. So what you have to make sure, if your articles are not ranking, you need to focus on off-page SEO of your website, because if your authority, if your links structure, your referring domains are not good, are not coming from the trusted domains, you are not going to rank well in SERP. So believe me, if you do both the things, like off-page SEO and on-page SEO using these tools, then you are going to get good results, believe me. Moving on, you will find some images that you can use, like average you can use 11 images, and you can also find meta title length information, how much you can use, average, maximum and minimum. and the same goes with meta description. You can also see some other information regarding that, and then you can find some of the top contenders that are ranking on SERP, and you can find their content length, their domain authority, their page authority, how many backlinks they have, and number of follow and do follow links, and their overall grade that is provided by the software itself and not by some agency or something. Okay, so what matters is the content length. So not the content length only matters, you have to focus like if your DA is like probably 40, so you can analyze like how competitive this article can be for your website. You cannot easily rank this one because all the ranking domains are having 80 plus of DA. Can you see that? It's having 81, 93, 90, 97, 81, 84, 96, 83, 76, 90, 90, 90, 87, 89. So all these domains are having high authority, in other words. Okay, so if you have not that authority, even you go beyond 5,000 words, it's possible that you are not going to rank for this keyword, right? So don't be in imagination. Software will not make you rank. It will help you to in your own page SEO that you do manually, but it is not going to do all the efforts. So you have to make sure that the off page SEO is something that you have to do, you have to take care. And these softwares are for on page SEO, for content optimization. So for example, if you have this website, sproutsocial.com, you have 93 of domain rating, you haven't written about this topic, and if you write around this much of content, you can rank. But if you haven't that authority, believe me, it can not be possible. Like for all the times, it can be, but not all the times. Okay, so this is a quick introduction. Then we can also segregate the meta tags, H1, H tags, keyword data, questions, and other tags to have better information, right? Then you can also download all the data for further decision making purposes. Then let's move on to SEO content, okay, which we are concerned most. Okay, so what we can do, we can start from the scratch. We can try the same search query like how to do email marketing, something like that. How to do email marketing. We want to rank, we want to see the results to have the data coming from. Then you can also have the title same as it is. You can also tag that down so that you can better categorize the content that you're writing. You can make the status from draft, from anything, but we will keep the draft as we haven't written anything. So let's create a new SEO content. Let's give it time so that it can generate some data, collect some data, and help us for making use of that data. Okay, till then let me show you some of the basic things that the software has. Like on this left side, this left sidebar, you can see you can write the content, you can uh, write the meta title, meta description, and here you can find some checklist that your heading improvements. Like if you will keep writing, it will go green or something. This progress bar will change its color, and so our content is ready, generation is ready, like the data has completed its work, so we can start. So it's all divided in steps. Okay, like if you see, your content score is nothing because you haven't written anything yet. So here we are now. This is AI Widget. We can cancel this, and step by step introduction we can go with. Create a meta title. Okay, let's see the ideas. We have ideas, email marketing, how to do it, strategies, tools, and examples. Let's use it. So now we have our meta title, but this is not something we need, right? What we need is just to keep this meta title right there. Okay, so what you can do, you can go to AI Widget, generate title ideas, and wherever your cursor is, and we have this one, email marketing 7 steps to getting results too. And let's use this one and click on next. Our cursor was there, but it wrote the content right within meta title. Okay, so if you use the AI widget, it will do its work perfectly. And if you are using manual actions, you will need to make sure that you are putting data in right text. Okay, putting content actually, yeah. And this is our heading title that we just got it from here, right? And then now let's move to generate some meta description. Every time you use any feature, it will use your credits that you have. And here we have a couple of uh, meta description that we can use. Email marketing is a powerful tool for promoting your blog. You can use this one. Okay, let's click on next. Now we have some sections. Pick outline ideas relevant, generate outline ideas. What is email marketing? Yeah, we will be using it. Okay, it's completed now. How to start email marketing campaign. We can find more information on this subject. No, this is not relevant. How do an email marketing campaign? No, we already have something. No, we don't have. And email marketing tools. What are the benefits of email marketing? And what is the best way to start an email campaign? How to send an email, my marketing email. Steps to getting results from email marketing success story. How can you use email marketing pro? No, no, no. Okay, we are okay with that. Yes. Uh, Now in each outline you can see that we have options to generate the content, right? So this was our first heading, like what are the email marketing. Then we had selected all these ones right there, you can see. And we have options like to some, if it's a related summary, it's a question, then you can use answer. And if you don't know what to do, then you can just click on this write for me, and you have this option to control or direct the AI what you want to write. And then you have some settings. Okay, so it's not a summary. It can be a summary, but it's not. Summary can be used when you are ending the content as well. And it's a question, so we can use answer. Okay, but it wrote it in the wrong direction. What I can do, I can just close it and come over here and paste this heading and then click on answer. Perfect. Email marketing is a form of direct to consumer advertising. Okay, it wrote everything for us. Let's enter it. How to start an email marketing campaign. Let's paste it down. Let's uh, use this drop down and click on summary. And click to generate concepts. No. Okay, it's not a summary, so we can use write for me. Sometimes it can give us bogus content, but you should not be worried about that. You always have option to delete or something. You can also head over to this heading and select the content, and you also have some options like these. Okay, it rewritten the content, right? And what we have next, we have this AI feature to command. Okay, this perfectly did work, right? Let's close it down, delete it. Okay, so let's do this, and you can write for me. Okay, again, embed content. How to start an email marketing campaign. To start an email marketing campaign, let's use this. Okay, it's not working well, I guess, but it should. I think I'm not doing well, but let me just wait a minute. Use a control to add a custom concept. You can write this, write about email marketing campaign. Mm, Write about. Okay, so we have some concepts. We can read them too. Okay, and let's answer this one. Okay, now this one worked well. So we had done something bad with these concepts actually. So be very careful about uh, generating concepts. If you are not happy with the concept that are generated, delete them. Okay, and let the AI do the work. Okay, so this way you can do that. Perfect, and all these are now getting green. You can see that meta description, title, heading, sections are not completed, that's why it needs improvement. Questions are okay, and we have topic coverage very less, tailored keywords very less, so we can click on them and make sure we are using the keywords which are over here. Okay, and you can also see them and use them manually as well. Otherwise you can let the AI do its work, and then you can analyze whether the best keywords are used. If they are not used, you can customize the content that's already written, and that's the way you can optimize the content, right? And I guess this was all about this video. You have to complete all these steps. We were around on optimizing, creating sections, generating content between them. You can add questions, add questions are already done. We have already added these questions. What is email marketing, what is email marketing campaign, right? So this is all for today's video. If you want to buy this tool, it's currently on AppSumo, and you can buy from AppSumo so as to get some lifetime credits. Okay, and you have these 5 tiers of plan. If you go with the tier 1, it will cost you $69, and it's for one user. It will allow you to have, and 10,000 characters per month you can utilize, and 10 SERP analysis can be done. And if you go with that license tier 2, you are going to pay $129. And if you are in need of more content to be written by the AI, then you can go with tier 3, and there are more plans in order to suffice your need. So if your need is to create more and more content, basically if you have a team, you would need more credits, more characters. So this plan can be for those who want that. Okay, so you can check out a link in the description if you want to buy this tool right away. And if you have any questions, you can just comment that down in the comment section. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new video that I'm going to upload. Till then, bye bye and have a wonderful day.